Picture this. Your product is ready for the world. Your manufacturing process is dialed in, and everything hinges on one small but critical detail: the label. It's easy to overlook how much your labeling requirements influence cost, efficiency, and even the success of your final product. Yet defining those needs early can be the difference between a smooth production run and a costly scramble to adjust mid-process. So in this video, we'll break down how to establish clear labeling requirements from the start and how Strouse can help you create high-quality, precise labels that protect your brand and streamline manufacturing. Establishing your labeling requirements begins with defining exactly what information your labels must display and communicating those needs as early as possible. Labels can include anything from brand logos and pictograms to expiration dates, matrix codes, UDIs, and tracking data for slitting and packaging. Because each added element increases the complexity of production, early clarification allows your converter to design a process that avoids unnecessary cost and rework. When labeling requirements are shared late, such as after a quote or purchase order has already been issued, the entire job may need to be recalculated or re-engineered, resulting in delays and increased expenses. By establishing your requirements upfront, you set the stage for accurate quoting, smoother production planning, and a more efficient overall manufacturing process. Creating high-quality labels with Strouse means partnering with a converter that prioritizes print accuracy, consistency, and the functional needs of your part. Poor quality labels can lead to confusion, tracking issues, and brand inconsistencies. So it's essential to work with a team that not only offers custom printing, but also enforces strong quality control measures. At Strouse, we support both flexographic and digital printing, giving you the flexibility depending on volume, complexity, or budget. Our quality control processes are adaptable to your requirements, ensuring your labels meet the necessary standards for clarity, durability, and precision. If you're interested in finding out more about how Strouse can help bring your printed part to life, feel free to visit our Learning Center for more videos and articles, or you can always reach out to us directly. Thanks for watching.